Okay, good morning student. Ninth B algebra lecture, real number, sorts that half exercise we have completed. Last three part remain and then two exercise remain. So we'll continue with that. Page number 30, sum number 7, plus and minus we have done with sorts. Now multiplication and division. So 7 of 2.3. 3 root 12 into root 18. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. This we have to simplify. So 3 power of third is 2. 2 into 6, 2 into 3. 3 to the 6 to the 12. This is 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. This is 3, 2 to the 4, 2 the 3. This is 15 means 3 5s are. Now outer number separate product 1 2 3 times 2, 3 3 3 times 3. Now there is 2 power, so find out pair. 2 2 3 3, that comes out because square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. So what is remain? 2 and 3, so it is 6. So 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, root 6 is a final answer. Now here 3 and 7 outer number, under root number 2 2 2 time, 3 3 2 time. Find out the pair. 2 to the 4, square root of 4 is 2. 3 3 is 9, 3 square root, only 5 remain. 3 7 is a 21, 21 6 are 21 6 are. So these are the answer for 7th for second. Now 8th. Root 98 divided by root 2. Root 125 divided by root 50. And root 310 divided by root 5. So step number 1, division. Step number 1, division. Step number 1, division. Step number 2, overall root. Overall square root. Now simplify. It will cut, so it will be 49. With 25 you can cut 25. 5s are 25, 2s are. With 5 you can cut 62. Now this can be simplified. 49 square root is 7, but this will be the same. This you can factorize 31 twos are, but perfect square you will not get. So as it is. So multiplication and simplifying. At the end we want 1/3. Division. At the end we want 1/3. Now rationalize. Three by root 5, 5 by root 7, 6 by 9 root 3. This is very important. Question is, rationalize the surd. Meaning of rationalize the surd is remove root from the denominator. So same value of the root you have to multiply and divide. For rationalize multiply and divide by root 5. Multiply and divide by root 7. Multiply and divide by root 3 only, not 9. I said to remove root. Now see. Write same. Write same. Write same. I have written multiply and divide by root 5. I have written multiply and divide by root 7. I have divided multiply and divide by root 3. 3 root 5. Root 5, 5. So now no root in denominator. So already it is rationalized. This number and this number is exactly equal. Calculator value of both the surds are exactly equal. Root 7 is 7. This is 5 root 7. Okay. 6 root 3. 9 into 3. Root 3. 3. With 3 this you can cut. With 9 also you can cut. No problem. 2 root 3 by 9. See. Observe. Previously there was root in denominator. At the end there is no root in the denominator. Hence we have rationalized, means we have removed root from the denominator. Understood? Now multiplication and addition together. 2.4 first of first. Root 3, root 7, root 3. Then 3 root 2, root 3. 4 root 3, root 2. In previous exercise we have learned only to add, how to add surds. Then we learn how to subtract, then only product, then only division. Now mixing, multiplication, addition, multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so open the bracket. This multiply by this, root 3, root 7. Now this multiply by this, middle number, middle sign is minus. So root 3, root 3. So this is 21. Root 3 is 3. So now this is the final answer. This more we can't simplify. Follow? Now bracket into bracket. So this into full bracket. 3 root 2, 4 root 3 minus root 2. Four root 3 root 2. Now this into this, 3 root 2 dot 4 root 3. Now this into this, in between there is a minus, 3 root 2 dot root 2. Then again minus, this into this, root 3, 4 root 3, minus minus plus, this into this, root 3, bracket into bracket means any one bracket you have to split up, that bracket you have to break. So this into full bracket minus this into full bracket. Then like this, first term multiply by first term multiply by second term, first term multiply by first term multiply by second term. Outsider number will be product, you have to write the product outside. 4 is a 12, inside 3 is a 6. 3 into 2, 4 into 3. Correct? 12 root 6 minus 6 minus 12 plus 1 root 6 you can write. 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6 means 13 root 6. 12x plus x means 13x, like that. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So this is the last answer. Okay, this is also last answer. Simple. Step by step you have to do whatever they have given. They have given bracket into bracket, but inside there is a minus also. So split up this bracket into two parts, then multiply, then multiply, then multiply, then multiply. Then obey the sign, and at the end you will get a simple form. So these and these are similar term. You can add and subtract. These and these are also similar term. You can add and subtract. You just take a screenshot, so you can write in your notebook, workbook. Okay, doing great. But for this picture you have to move the video here and there. Now see, screen is clear. Take screenshot, because from directly one picture very easy to write. I think this sign is there. Now long question and important part. Now all four part together: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all. And rationalizing also. Two point four, second, first. 1 by root 7 plus root 2. This we have to simplify. Means in denominator again we don't want root. When there is a single root in the denominator, at that time you have to take same multiplication and division. But here it is in plus and minus form. So we will take conjugate pair, means opposite. Only you have to change the middle sign, this. So multiply, divide by root 7 minus root 2. Why I have taken this, you will come to know directly. So your original question, multiply and divide by root 7 minus root 2, root 7 minus root 2. Opposite pair, you can't change previous sign, only middle sign you have to change. Keep in mind, only middle sign you can change. Now this into this means root 7, root 2. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Like that. A square minus b square. So this is root square, root 7 square minus root 2 square. Again it will be same. 7 only root 7 square means root 2, root 7 into root 7 is 7. Root 2 into root 2 it is 2. So this one is total 5. So no root in denominator, so it is rationalized. Best way. Next one, 3 by 2 root 5. 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Now middle sign is minus. We will take plus. Always opposite of middle sign. So I'll write multiply and divide by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Whose mic is on? So original question. Whose mic is on? Multiply and divide with plus. Multiply and divide with plus 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So this and this will be the same. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. A square minus b square. That is why we are taking opposite pair. If it is a minus b, multiply and divide by a plus b. If it is a plus b, multiply and divide by a minus b. If it is a minus b, multiply and divide by a plus b. Opposite. So 2 root 5, 3 root 2, this into this at the end, okay? Same. Now square 2 to the 4, root 5, 5. 3 3 is a 9, root 2, 2. Again same. 20, 18. So 2. This is 2. Suppose you want to more simplify, you can do this also right, next also right. 3 to the 6 root 5 divided by 2. 3 3 is a 9 root 2 divided by 2. This more you can simplify. 3 root 5 plus 9 by 2 root 2. I think that is visible now. Cut. Correct. So up to this also it is correct. This also correct. This also correct. Means you have remove sort or a root from denominator. See here also not root, here also not root, here also not root. So it is correct. Next one is very important and interesting. Root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. Now they have given a plus b. So we'll multiply and divide by root 5 minus root 3. Opposite of denominator. Middle sign you have to change. Multiply and divide. So this will be bracket into bracket square. This is a plus b, a minus, this is a minus b, so a minus b square. And denominator a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square. Remember the formula. So square of first, a square minus 2 a b plus b square, a square b square minus 2ab, root 5 5, root 3 3. So this will be 2 only. This is 5 minus 2 root 15. 5 is a 15 plus 3. This 8 minus 2 root 15 divided by 2. I'll take 2 common. 4 minus 15. 4 to the 8. 4 ones are 2 ones are 2 by 2. So 2 cancel. So 4 minus root 15, that is the final answer. No denominator. So no root, no side. Already rationalized. At the end we don't want root. Okay, any fraction or any number will allow. But root value in denominator at the end, because in the starting point all they have root in the denominator. So we are omitting denominator root, that is rationalized. Okay, just take the screenshot and we will start with new topic. Screen is clear, voice is clear. For any problem you can message or you can give me the answer. But number of students day by day are decreasing. Madam is also afraid of all these things attended. That is not the reason. And now there is no problem of link because it is a school app. See, at present 42. So myself, Abhijit sir, remove them. So only 40 students out of 74. Okay. No. Only a syllabus of all subject I have given. For my subject I have given paper style, mark distribution. They not declared by madam, by school. Wait for 2 days only. I think today only you will get. But wait. Now one very interesting part, new part of the sir. Absolute value. What is the meaning of absolute value? The meaning of absolute value I can explain in two ways. Final value, final answer, overall value will be always positive, not negative. So another meaning of absolute value, not including negative, means whole number W. I can't say natural number. If it is all positive, I can't say natural number because sometime here answer will come 0. So 0 and positive means what? W. Now see, Ashraf gone, Shahid gone. What we will learn, no, that is not bracket, just keep in mind. 15 minus 2, absolute value. 4 minus 9, absolute value. 7 minus 4, absolute value. Who is fire, I, gamer and what? Who is that? And writing roll number. See the name and with daring is giving roll number. कर लो जो करना है कर लो. Day by day, no, the level of daring goes on increasing. सब लोग शाहरुख खान सलमान खान बन रहे, कोई स्वामी विवेकानंद बनने को तैयार नहीं है. Writing irritating name and giving wrong. Okay, absolute value means final answer should be positive or 0. So 15 minus 2 you can do, it is 13. See, meaning of this, meaning of this, meaning of this, it is bracket. meaning of this is not the bracket. In exam, no student are showing their 1.5 mind. So instead of this, they are doing this. Mathematically 100% wrong. So these are first, second and third. These are the bracket. This is not bracket. This is a symbolic representation that it is a absolute value. That value can never be negative. It will be always positive or zero. ये हार्दिक है, अपना हार्दिक, उसको ये लग रहा है कि यहाँ शूटिंग चल रही है और हार्दिक इसमें हीरो बन रहे हैं. Okay, it is positive. Again, second question. 4 minus 9, it is minus 5. So this is the absolute value of minus 5 is what? 5. तो अंदर वो जो डबल लाइन है, नॉट अ ब्रैकेट, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू सिंबल, उसके बाहर जो नंबर आएगा वो नेगेटिव होगा तो भी पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव होगा तो भी पॉजिटिव, जीरो होगा तो जीरो. नेगेटिव आंसर कभी भी नहीं आएगा. नेवर यू कैन राइट द नेगेटिव आंसर. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. नाउ दिस एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू सेपरेट. -4 absolute value separate. See, they have given here and here. If I will remove this, then it is different meaning. But this is different meaning. Absolute of 7 is 7. Absolute of -4 is +4. 7 4s are 28. Now, reverse. If there is -5, then also +5. If it is +5, then also +5. So these are the answer of double value. 5 can be of -5, 5 can be of +5. So that we will use in next. Try to understand this. For -5 absolute value is 5. For +5 also absolute value is +5. So 5 are the answer of two different questions. These are two different questions, but the answer is same. Why? Because absolute means always positive. So of minus also plus, of plus also plus. So +5 is answer of two absolute value. -5 plus minus +5. So this we will use in next question. Question is given, answer is also given, and I have explained in just previous point that these answer are of both, can be positive or negative. Whose mic is on? Therefore 3x minus 5 is equal to +1 or -1. This answer can be of both plus and minus. This answer also can be of both plus and minus. This answer also can be of both plus and minus. This is the first step you have to do. Therefore 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 or 3x minus 5 is equal to -1. Therefore 7 minus 3x is equal to plus 5, or 7x minus 3, 7 minus 3x is equal to plus 5 minus 5. 5 by 1 plus x by 4 is equal to plus 5 by 1, or 5 by 1 plus x by 4 is equal to minus 10 by 5. Remove absolute value, means module sign, remove, then it is plus and minus, remove plus minus, remove plus minus. So one time plus or one time minus, one time plus or second time minus, one time plus, second time minus. Now simplify, you will get double answer. This comes this side, 3x is equal to 1 plus 5, 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 5, 3x is equal to 6, 3x is equal to 4, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4 by 3. So x is equal to 2 or 4 by 3. Two answer we got. Now 7 minus 3x is equal to 5, no? So 7 minus 5 is equal to 3x. Now here 7 plus 5 is equal to 3x. 2 is equal to 3x. 12 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 2 by 3. 3 goes down. 12 by 3. This can't be simplified. So x, there are two answers. 4, 2 by 5 will cut. So it is 0. This 5 cut. First answer. 5 cut, so x by 4 is equal to minus 1, cross product. Again you can take the screenshot of this. 1, 2, 3 values are given. Remove module sign, absolute value. So it will be plus and minus. So take one time plus, take one time minus and solve. That equation you have solved many times in 8th standard also. Simply you find out x answer. You will get two answers. Right into the second bracket. Here 5.5 last exercise completed. Tomorrow we will do again algebra, not science, because science already we have completed. Here problem set 2, that we will complete, and in next two lectures in next week we will do revision, and online test I will take during the lecture. So you be prepared with the points, with small calculation. And yes, very important thing, that how to give. Don't send your roll number, it is automatically your attendance will be added to your app. Now listen. हाँ, तो फिर भी आपकी अटेंडेंस लग जाएगी. If you will join. अरे तो लेस, हाँ सुन, तो अरे तो कम टाइम के लिए अटेंड किया होगा, 10 मिनट 15 मिनट्स शूटिंग में आके चले गए होंगे. Okay, let me clear one very important thing. MCQ exam will be there for the unit test. So in higher order means suppose IIT, JEE, there are lots of competitive exams which are of multiple choice question. Multiple choice questions, how this type of the exam you have to give. First you have to read the question only, don't read the answer. Read the question on raw paper, solve it by methodology, by shortcut, by any. Find out your answer. Then read ABCD with which it is matched. If it is matched, then write. If it is not matching, means your answer is wrong. Do it. Suppose you are getting 5 AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and here it is given 5 centimeter and minus 5 centimeter also. Length cannot be negative, forget about centimeter. So 5, suppose x is equal to 5, you are getting here given x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 5. Again do, because sometime if it is 5, we will give option minus 5 also. Sometime it is minus 3, we will give 3 options. So at that time you have to be very careful for the. So read question, solve question, match your answer with ABCD. Students are what doing? They are reading the question, reading the answer, which is which one is appropriate. Orally don't do. And you have enough time, only 20 questions, 20 marks, 1 hour. Per one mark, 3 minutes, more than enough. More than enough. Okay. So here we are closing. Tomorrow again algebra, not science, because science first and second lecture full learn completed, and in a 2-part I have sent the video. Only work, only energy, 2 different. So you repeat 2-3 times. The concept will be clear. Very nicely both separate part I have created. So you just go through it. Okay, all the best. And host give me the screenshot, attendance and all, message and all. Thank you.